Here is another really great question. Could you do a video on how cross sections are measured? I'm also curious about where the uncertainties reported come from. And that's a really great question. It comes from irradiating a material with a beam of neutrons. Now, in order to get the cross sections, you have to know the interaction probability as a function of the energy of the neutron. And so the sources of neutrons come from fission. But fission neutrons, they have a spectrum. And so how do I select neutrons of a very specific velocity so I can measure the interaction probability of neutrons of that velocity with the material whose cross-section I'm measuring? And the way that you do that, it's easy to think of a corkscrew, some kind of a screw that I can turn, and the faster I turn it, the faster the higher the neutron speeds that can go through that without interacting with the corkscrew. If you think of the corkscrew as being, say, a neutron poison that will absorb any neutron that touches it, then this corkscrew, if I turn it really, really fast, then faster neutrons will go through. If I turn this corkscrew slowly, then only slow neutrons will go through. Now, we don't actually do it with a corkscrew. They're basically just fans. So if you just took slices of that corkscrew and you turned them into basically fans, you just rotate these fans. But the point is that we can specifically select only fixed neutron energies. Only specific neutron speeds will make it through. And once we know we're only seeing those neutrons of that speed coming through, because we knew the original spectrum, we knew what the flux was, or the number of neutrons per second making it through that corkscrew or that series of fans that are rotating to select those energies, and we can see what the interaction probability is with whatever material is being hit with those neutrons. And we measure as a function of neutron speed what is the interaction rate of the target, and that's how we measure those cross sections. And the uncertainties just come from the uncertainties in that entire measurement process, the uncertainty in the energy, the uncertainty in the reaction rate, the uncertainty in the spectrum. That's all folded in. So it's a great question. That's how we measure neutron cross sections, the probability of a neutron interacting with a given isotope. So, really cool science. That's a great question. Thanks for asking. I hope you all enjoyed the video and you have a great day.